Exercise 31, page 62, solving an equation. So number 2, 8 minus 3t equals 2. Well, I'll leave you to do that one, but I'll do one underneath that's very similar to it. So let's try solving this. 10 minus 5x equals 4. If we look at it, x appears only once, so that's here. But if you look at the x, it's minus 5x. So the fact that it's negative means to me that the first thing I would try and do is try and make it positive by adding 5x to both sides. So I'm going to add 5x to both sides, which doesn't do anything to solve the equation, but it makes x, or the term involving x, positive. So if we do that, if I add 5x to the left-hand side of the equation, I get 10 minus 5x plus 5x equals 4 plus 5x. I've added 5x to both sides. And the beauty of that now is that this cancels. Minus 5x plus 5x is gone. In other words, I've undone the idea of minus 5x on the left-hand side. So I could effectively write this immediately. 10 equals 4 plus 5x. So you could skip that step and just go straight from here to here. I'm adding 5x to both sides. And you can see by that the 5x is now positive on the right-hand side. So now the aim of this solving this equation is to focus on this right-hand side and try and get rid of this 4 and the 5, so I'm just left with x, and then I've solved it. If you look at the right-hand side and you imagine what's happened to x when I was building this right-hand side up, whatever x is, and it's a number, it's been multiplied by 5 and then 4 has been added. So the last thing that happened to the right-hand side effectively that was 4 was added to it. So subtract 4 from both sides. So on the left-hand side, 10 minus 4 is 6. On the right-hand side, 4 minus 4, I've cancelled the 4, leaving just 5x. So I've got 6 equals 5x. And then finally, I would divide both sides by 5, because on the right-hand side, x has been multiplied by 5, divide by 5. So dividing both sides by 5, I get 6 divided by 5 equals x. And I've solved it. You can rewrite this, therefore, as x equals 6 over 5, or 1 1/5, or 1.2. Now go ahead and see if you can do the question in the exercise.